To list product on the Donation Exchange powered by CREF, log into your account, go to Products, and select Add Product. Product type will be CREF. Enter the product information including category, product ID, and brand. Next, select your delivery method. Product can be designated for a specific region when selecting a delivery method of ship or deliver. Be sure to enter the zip code of the product's location. Key in the distance in miles to identify the designated region. This can also be selected from the drop-down. Enter the product description here. In price detail, enter the fair market value per unit, the quantity available, and your desired minimums or maximums. Note that the minimum will be required per order and the maximum will be managed per month. Product images, videos, and documents such as Excel or PDF documents can be added here. In product settings, set to visible to make it accessible to users. Select Save. You will receive a notification at the bottom of your screen that it was successfully added.